Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today's video I'm going to jump right in, and guys we're doing my bedroom, decorate, change a lot of things in my bedroom. And guys, as you can see, I have a new mattress that coming. If you are someone that is doing your makeover, bedroom cleaning, whatever it is, if you don't have a good mattress to promote a great nice sleep, it's like everything you're doing is in vain. Because me, I really prioritize my sleeping, because like that you wake up very nice and then full of energy, no body sore or anything. Guys, my son is doing the unboxing, as you can see inside the box. And the thing that I like the most about this mattress, it has multiple layers, from the cooling covers to the fiber free FR inner covers. Guys, everything about this mattress is a must have, because me, as a nurse, I work 12-hour shift and I go to school too. Guys, I'm always tired, physically drained, because all those things that I have going on. Coming home not having a mattress, a good mattress to sleep in, no, it's not gonna work for me, as you can see, guys. And it's super easy to put together. It take up to 72 hours. Me, I always let my thing the full, I with the manual instruction to the T, I follow to the T. So as you can see, guys, the mattress is super nice. The anti-heat graphic cooling cover, copper gel our infusion form, and it's so pretty, guys. As you can see, you don't even have to put a bed sheet on it, and then it looks so luxuriously. And guys, you know I'm kind of bougie, I like everything to be nice. This mattress, guys, is a must have. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, make sure to check it out. It has an adapted form, liquid gel cool flex form, breast sleeper support form. Guys, everything you need in one mattress to promote the best night's sleep ever. And I just like the gold rim to the black. Oh guys, it's super nice. You can see with your eyes, everything is beautiful. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below. Feel free to check them out. Okay guys, moving on to the mirror. I'm going to put on top of my bed, and I get those from Walmart a while back, I think before Christmas. They were on sale. And guys, it's the best way again to get your things if you want to elevate your home without spending too much money. It's another option. And guys, there's the way they are. I needed a full length, that's what I wanted, but you can go low, shorter, but me, that's what I want. For the chandelier, I had like a fan. I'm not a big fan of fan, and I love chandelier in my home, so I pick up this one. You can find similar on Z Gallery. So just love this. As you can see, the beauty of it and everything. So everything that I use in my home, I'm going to leave them in the description box that on below. And guys, I really love the chandelier. I love everything that I buy for my home, guys. And it's another blessing for me, so I don't have to pay for any installation, because from babies to adult in my home, they are very handy and helping me with a lot of things. It's a huge blessing, so I get to save some of the maintenance fees. Okay guys, as you can see the process, I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. For my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review. Like today, I do clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Today I wanted something neutral. Even if we are in spring, but I might add colors later down the line. But right now, I needed something more neutral to go with everything. If you are someone that love colors, you can always add some flowers or other colors. But me, for today, that's the look that I was looking for. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, I'm going to tell you where I got everything if something in the video interests you. So feel free to go to the description box down and you will find everything. This mirror, guys, is in the corner. I have it in the living room and I move it to here. And the pillow in the bed, the wall art from Was some time ago. And I got the pillows from Home Goods. Guys, those pillows were so expensive, but I love them. I got a couple of them. The bed sheet from Amazon and the lamp on my DIY. So as I mentioned, the mirrors from Walmart, I wanted the full length of mirrors. So those furnitures from my previous bedroom set, but I love them. I keep them. I DIY them. And the mirror from this one the gallery, but it was in my living room. I moved it to the bedroom because I didn't have nothing to do with it. I didn't want it to sit. The mirror that come with my dresser, I didn't like it. I just remove it. And guys, I love everything about my bedroom. So let me know down below if you love the bedroom just the way I do. So if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to check the mattress, because guys, you need a great mattress for a great night's sleep. Guys, I can assure you, you won't be disappointed, because before I make the video, I make sure to sleep on it to make sure everything I say is as is. So I really love it. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi, c'est bienvenue. Non, mais c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec mes amis. So, pour la première fois, tout, moi, dis merci un peu pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Me remercie. Et pas oublier la commentaire en bas vidéo si vidéo a fait plaisir. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager à tous mes abonnés. Un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. Et n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire. Ça me fait un très grand plaisir. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. And thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!